every person every person has their own meaning to justice, but do they really mean it? If we ask a millions of people regarding their view on justice, then we will get a millions of answer or definitions regarding justice. But do they really believe it? Do they really believe in justice? Let us explain it with two examples. I am citing an example of the Constitution, which was framed in the year 1787, where the preamble of the Constitution speaks that we, the people, shall establish justice. Just give importance to the line. The preamble itself states that we, the people, shall establish justice. That sounds like justice. That sounds like justice. But do they really believe in justice? Because if we go through the same document, that is the Constitution, it was written that slavery is okay and we can continue it for another 2 decades. That clearly indicates that the persons who are the part of framing the Constitution do not believe in justice. The Constitution which was framed sounds like justice, but they really do not believe in justice. If they believed in justice, then perhaps there shall be no term like slavery is okay. In my last video, I have given the example of 12 Years a Slave, the movie, where the protagonist was victimized of the slavery system. So, writing or framing a part of the document telling justice doesn't mean justice. In order to do justice, first you have to believe in justice. Let us describe another incident. After 1950, most of the constitutions framed by various countries all over the world were based on the articles that were described or that were framed in the United Nations Human Rights Declarations 1948. Like Article 1 speaks, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Article 1 clearly speaks about equality of human beings, dignity of human beings. Similarly, Article 3 speaks, everyone has a right to life, liberty and security of person. Every person has life and right to liberty. Similarly, Article 7 speaks, all are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. It clearly prohibits any form of discrimination, whether that is based on the religion, caste, gender, race or on disability. Similarly, Article 9, no one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention or exile. However, even though most of the countries has framed these articles, or while framing the constitution, they have emphasized on the articles that were being framed by the United Nations Human Rights Declaration 1948. But Hansen's disease, a disease which was caused by bacteria and was well known to the world since 1873, had suffered severe injustice like social ostracization, forceful colonization, forceful ostracization, and denied a dignified life, denied personal liberty, discriminated on the ground of merely on the ground of a easily treatable disease which was caused by bacteria, and the drugs are available to the market. This is because of religious discrimination. So writing about justice doesn't mean justice. Writing about justice, sometimes it sounds like justice, but it is not justice. In order to believe